This poem is called Essay on Why the New Hampshire State Bird Should Be Seasonal Affective Disorder. Client parking area. It fits back there 30 miles past Elm Street, forgetting about daylight or savings, moonlighting, but wanting to move on. How does it feel to sit in a van alone, forced to walk on all fours, rugged, push for adulting? Two people with similar points of origin arrive at the same destination, not knowing the other would be there. Spend an hour waiting, turn off the engine, distract with writing. Forgot my book. For this quiet moment, nourishment for adulthood positivity. Horse will get comfortable and walk around. Animal knows actions we take mean something. When will some people learn that food is an instinct and seeds go right through? Is this collaboration with the language from today? Certainly isn't too hot. Fear of flatlining from lack of sun. Galloping through snow in central Connecticut. Snow isn't my go-to poet. Gotta get my attitude ready. Adults won't evaporate for these allowances. Purely speculating in common stones found on the ground. But the desert isn't going to win a Pulitzer Prize in poetry either. Prickly pear is completely underappreciated, but still improving lives. Children running compromise the time we have left. Then you turn right applies to providing a service, reminds anyone you're here for a reason. Client parking area. But the marker, put the marker on the free space. Will people do that if you ask? Is it a good idea to go to Hannibal Lecter's for an intimate dinner? Waiting for rain answers question with a question. Now take my order. I'm tired of working at the post office. With that lubrication, nothing is common sense. It doesn't make anyone comfortable. Doubting the acres. Places will change even if people won't heal.